Good morning. It's Tuesday. It's the Bubba Show. I'm Bubba. What's going on, everybody? So as we look in the markets and we talk about the rally continues. I went over a little bit yesterday, but I want to get a little bit more in depth here today on what is actually going on. Markets have a tendency to always go farther in any one direction than anybody actually expects. Now this rally, first of all, it's very technically based. Fundamentals, for you fundamental traders, do not support this rally, but it doesn't matter. You see, and that's the point. Technicals are allowing this market to continue to make new highs and break out of levels. And we see this in many stocks and in many indices that when we watch, they continue to go to a level and then they pause and then they break out. Remember the phases of the market, okay? We have the birth of all markets are born in what we call consolidation or congestion. We then have the second phase of the market, which is the breakout, and this breakout is the trend. It can be up or down. And then the third phase is when the market finally blows off. Now, after a blow-off, what will usually happen is the market will simply either immediately fall back down or congest. And a very strong market like we have right now, if you go back a couple of weeks to when we had those huge big run-ups in the markets, what did the market do? It congested after the blow-off and then broke out again higher. Now what you have to remember is the market right now is going higher. A, technically it's breaking out. B, we know that there's not a lot of asset classes to take our money and put it into, so people are being forced into trading into the market and putting money into the stock market, which propels it even higher. You've gotten people that have gotten caught trying to short the market, trying to predict a top. That's not what we do. We want to react. So as far as looking for a short position, right in here, if you are shorting this market up here, you are gambling. Okay, I'm talking about the overall market, not individual stocks. We are not gamblers. We are got people who take the odds and probabilities. So right now, you should be observing the market to the long side, letting it find a level where it indeed will either rest, congest, and then break out, which we can then participate, or maybe start to sell off. But to sit here and look for a short position in markets that are going solidly higher, it doesn't make sense. You want to be short, you look for stocks like an Apple that's been very weak throughout this. You look for the other weaklings that have not participated in the rally because markets and stocks figure to go in the direction that they're trending. Higher will go higher, lower will go lower. So just keep that in mind when you're trading and when you're watching, and understand that the market will do what it's going to do, and don't try to get in front of it, but use the charts and the levels to help you pick the best direction. Remember, Bubba's Picks, we're going to have some new formats. Looking forward to it. We'll get out an email on that. Remember, for Tuesday the Bubba Show, have a great day.